Are you tired of dull, rough skin that just doesn't feel as soft and bright as you want it to? Imagine stepping out of the shower with skin that looks fresh, smooth, and naturally radiant every single day. Sounds amazing, right? Today, I'm sharing an easy but powerful DIY body scrub that gently exfoliates, deeply nourishes, and instantly brightens your skin. And the best part? You can make it using all natural ingredients straight from your kitchen. For this glow-boosting body scrub, you'll need half a cup of brown sugar to gently slough off dead skin, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil for deep hydration, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice packed with vitamin C to fade dark spots, 1 tablespoon of raw honey to lock in moisture and soothe irritation, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to reduce hyperpigmentation and add a natural glow. Mix everything together in a bowl until you get a grainy, slightly sticky paste, just rough enough to exfoliate, but gentle on the skin. Now, let's apply. Start with damp skin. Step into a warm shower for a minute to open up your pores. Take a generous amount of the scrub and massage it onto your body in circular motions, starting from your legs and working your way up. This technique improves blood circulation, promotes lymphatic drainage, and enhances your skin's natural glow. Focus on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels, where dead skin builds up the most. Let the scrub sit on your skin for 3 to 5 minutes so the natural ingredients can work their magic. Then, rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing to prevent irritation. Once your skin is clean and refreshed, lock in moisture with a hydrating lotion or a few drops of almond oil for a long-lasting glow. With regular use, this scrub helps fade dark spots, reduce uneven skin tone, and keep your body looking youthful and radiant. For best results, use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Do a patch test if you have sensitive skin, and avoid using it on freshly shaved or irritated areas. So, what are you waiting for? Try this DIY body scrub today and let us know how it worked for you in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips. See you in the next one.